Okay, now that the roof is clean, we can inspect. This vent I know is closed from the bottom. This is missing its cap for no reason. I mean, it looks like they coated this with something. I don't know why. The pressure washer cut a line straight through it. And this, my friends, is why you don't use Flex Seal on roofs like this. You can see the pressure washer just blasted this stuff up. I mean, it just peels off. It's never gonna seal like that. And this cover, I don't know, man. Just buy a new one. Like, come on. And we can see they tried to Flex Seal all this stuff around the window and the lights too, all along the seam. I mean, that's original seam down there. So we're gonna have to strip all this stuff back and really see what we're working with here, because it looks bad. Oh, and don't worry, as cool as this old antenna is, it's not staying. I don't need a TV. Okay, now that the roof is done, we can, oh, by the way, the pressure washer is doing great. I got it for my favorite price of $3.99. We're gonna work our way aft to forward. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see if we can get these black stains out with like some Z cleaner or something like that. It might actually just be bare aluminum. That's what it looks like. Okay, time for this side. I got you propped up on the fender of the dually, so angle. They're a little 50-50. The wheels came out nice. Look at the white letters. Very 70s. But the split you can see very, very well in this, I think plastic or fiberglass. Yeah, these window seals are toasted. You can tell because stuff is coming out from behind it, like all this stuff. And there's actually some stuff in the window. See, it definitely leaks. All right, we'll do the rest of it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's good. You can see some paint. It's definitely bare aluminum starting to show through. All of these window seals are just junk. I had to cover up the little hole with a shopping bag because it goes straight into my electrical, of course. And I know I said I was going to comment wash the van portion, but I don't have any comment, so that'll be later. Okay, pretty good angle. I'm going to move Kerrigan, the KLR. I'm going to keep, can't remember her name right now, but I'm going to keep these two here, and we'll keep working on this side of it. So, last side. No joke, the compressor just ran out of gas. So it's one full tank on the, not the compressor, the pressure washer. One full tank on the pressure washer will do this whole rig. You could probably notice I was spending a little extra time on certain spots, like right here. This is just where there's tape. I don't know why there's tape, but somebody put tape there. Interesting. Just gonna take that off and paint it. Not too bad. And now that we've cleaned the whole outside and pressure washed it with high pressure water around all the seams, we can go inside and see where the water leaks are, which are probably everywhere. I definitely know around every single window. Okay, change my shirt, change my hat, back to the casual hat instead of the work hat. We got Kerrigan back where she belongs. We're gonna go inside. Not yet. All right, we're gonna do a B-roll of the whole outside after she's been cleaned. And then the next episode, we go visit the haunted, infested hazard that is the interior. I wanna miss it.